Damn, that's high.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we are back with another video. So today's video, we're going to be reacting to Katrina Velarde singing Go the Distance.
I don't like that song. Well, that's cool.
That's
we
cool.
still react to that.
Well, we're going to judge Katrina's voice, not the song. Because we know that you don't like the song.
Go to Distance is the Hercules one.
I have often dreamed.
You know why I don't like it, guys? Because I had... We're not reacting to Yani Makuta. I don't like it because once I had to prepare that song for an audition long time ago.
And you didn't get the gig.
Not only I didn't get the gig, I got cut before the singing part. So it was a big fail for me.
What, they stopped you?
There was a dancing session before and yeah, I got cut early.
That's that. Before we begin, make sure to like this video if you like Katrina and subscribe to my channel as well and to Fabi's channel.
Yes guys, I do a lot of yoga, so come practice with me.
Yes, and all our social media are linked down below. Some of you have been messaging us on our Instagram already, which is great. We love it, and liking our photos and following us on there. We really appreciate it, and thank you for subscribing to this channel. So without further ado,
because we like it, let's get right into the video.
Yes, because
we like
it.
Guys, if you want me to keep going with this because we like it stuff, please comment down below. Because we like it.
Okay, so here is Katrina Velarde singing Go the Distance. It looks like she is on the Wish bus.
Oh, I love the buzz. I hated it first.
It's like,
and now I'm loving it.
It's like Wish
1075. And
no,
then you see random
song.
People walking in the street.
I know, it's so cute and selling balut. If you haven't seen a balut video, check out balut video. Fabio almost died. Check out in my channel, or I will link it down below as well. You will laugh. You will love it.
I told to all my friends. They said that I'm dating a crazy person.
Is that what they said?
Yes, they did.
Anyway, here's Katrina Velarde singing Go the Distance. Let's hear it.
Which one? Oh, nice hair. Almost like Morris. Traffic is popping. Peak hour. One.
175.
Okay, that's good. So much control. Remind me again where she came from. What talent show? Because you guys know everything. Comment down below.
That's true. Wow. I have to say I don't like the arrangement, the track.
Okay.
But that's the track, right?
All her emotions though.
Wow. Her face is very... She has a lot of facial expression.
Okay, this is beautiful rendition.
She's a beautiful voice. It looks like she's really feeling it.
She did it her song. She did it in her own way.
Mm-hmm. Wow, I love her control on the high notes.
Yeah. From low to high. She made her song because this song is a Broadway song.
Mm-hmm. I'd like to know where she's from. Like what city is she from?
Philippines.
City, not country.
Oh, I don't know.
Wow.
Nice.
She has such a beautiful control. In the high notes, she's so precise. I love it.
She could be in Broadway. I actually love this song.
She looks great. That makeup is beautiful too.
Let's hear it. The bridge. This is where all the high
Nice.
notes are, right?
Let's go. Wow. Wow, I like when she goes that high. Guys, I'm gonna break my rule that I usually like very low voices, but when I hear what she's singing, I really like when she goes high.
Because
Yeah.
of us, we made Fabio like belting singers. This is awesome.
Only at times. Well, on her voice, I think it suits her better. Like, wow.
Okay, change key. Okay. Let's hear it because this is a high note here.
Damn, that's high. Wow.
Confident.
That's high as heaven.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, girl. She's gonna go higher.
Oh my god. And she didn't even change color. Usually
Wow.
when people go that high, they become red as
I
hell.
know.
Oh my God.
That was awesome.
Oh wow.
Damn. I thought she was gonna change. I thought she was gonna stop there and then she like. Ah. No, like I can reach
Wow,
it.
you
but
sounded just like her.
thank you. I have to say that I like the Broadway version more, the musical, the movie, whatever you call it, the movie musical version more because I like Broadway musical. You can ask Fabio.
Guys, you do not wanna know. Like, I wanna kill him every time we drive somewhere outside the city. I just wanna kill him because he sings the entire damn time off key.
And
he has this
not
amazing
off key.
talent to sing off key. Guys, I'm gonna record it next time. I'm gonna vlog it. Trust me. And then
wasn't
and then
off
you can
key.
come for him.
It wasn't
for-
off key. It's kind of like she was singing, like swing, like a ballad song.
Mhm.
But like in a Broadway, it's kind of like you're talking and narrating the song. But it's good. But her voice is amazing when she goes higher and higher, and she can go higher too. And it's all
Yeah.
chest voice, and she didn't break. That's the difference between her and Morissette.
Yeah.
Morissette has a break, but she does it beautifully. It's a purposely beautiful break.
Mhm.
But Katrina, I feel like her transitions from her chest voice to her head tone
It's
belting,
extremely smooth, right?
it's smooth.
You don't really know.
You don't
and then
hear a
she's
break.
there
You
and-
don't hear a break in between.
Yeah, I'm sure Morris can do it as well,
Yeah, but
but
I
she
like.
doesn't do
No.
it because of styling purposes.
I think so. I like the way Morissette is doing it right now with the breaks, with the
Yeah.
squeak, with all the growls. She's that type of singer. Like she's like.
Yeah, I think it was amazing. Her transitions are very smooth. I
Mm-hmm.
loved it. I really like because in the other video she was doing She was impersonating other singers, so I didn't really know what was her real voice.
Yeah.
But now, for the first time, I hear
This
her
is her
voice, and I'm
voice.
like, it's even better.
Yeah.
Even better.
Yeah. Well, shout out to the people who work with Fabio on the ship, cruise
Yeah,
ships,
on Royal Caribbean,
Royal
guys.
Caribbean, yeah, or whatever.
I know you found me online and you commented down below in one of the videos. I don't really remember. Morris one.
Morissette, Rise Up.
And so I just want to say hi to all of you guys that are watching me from I don't know where in the world.
He's now in land, y'all. Like he's
now
not
on
traveling
land.
anymore. Anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you all next time. We
Because
love
we
you
like
all
it.
as always. And thank you all for the comment and all the supports. We really, really, really appreciate it.
Yes,
and
guys.
we will see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.
I like it. I'm naked. Don't leave it. Recording.